condition where nothing has happened. Got the point? Recovery to such an extent where nothing has happened. Suppose something happens, a cut will be there. Because of your great immunity, again it will be attaching and it will forms normal after some years. As if it appears like nothing has happened. That is called as resilience. But there are certain points. Once they are changed, they are a loss forever. They are not damaged, they are loss. What's the difference between that? Damage and the loss? Loss is permanent. Damage can be recovered. Right? Such a damage which is converted into loss are called as tipping points. The best example, the melting of the Arctic ice is a tipping point. The change in the Indian monsoons is a tipping point. Amazon forest fires are the tipping points. Some of the tipping points are identified by the world ecologists. And what are some of the tipping points? Number one, the melting of the Arctic ice is a tipping point. The Indian monsoons, the changes in the Indian monsoons are the tipping point. Meaning what? Whatever the change that has to happen already happened. There is no question of going back, reverting back. Already Indian monsoons got affected by the climate change. Then Amazon forest fires is a tipping point. The Antarctica ice shelf melting is a tipping point. Antarctica ice shelf already melted. There is no question of again recoping of the ice shelf. These are some of the important tipping points that were discovered by the world ecologists. These tipping points are also found in the flora and fauna, water bodies, ice caps. The examples are very important. Whenever you are talking about the flora and fauna, the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom, if you see the globe, if this is the equator, every animal will be distributed according to the tolerance level. The other day also I was explaining about the tolerance level. According to the tolerance level of the species distribution will be there. Like why the neem is present only here, why not here? Why the animal like polar bear only here, why not here? According to the tolerance level, the species are distributed. Right? Now, what the scientists have discovered, they discovered that some of the plant species which are supposed to be only there, they migrated to upper latitudes. Why they have migrated to the upper latitudes? Because the temperatures are quite conducive there. The temperatures are quite sufficient there. Therefore, they started growing instead of here, there also. When they started introducing into other areas, what happened to the population of that areas? Now, they don't have proper resources. Now, because of the favorable climatic conditions, these are shifting to